अपनी नौकरी रख लीजिए, मैं अपना एटीट्यूड रख लेता हूँ। आई एम सॉरी, डोंट माइंड सर।
सैलरी कितना लोगे भैया, डिस्कस कर लें।
2024 एक लौता ऐसा सीजन है जिसने कैरी फॉरवर्ड किए अपने एग्जैक्ट सेम ड्राइवर्स फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस सीजन फॉर द एग्जैक्ट सेम टीम. What does this imply? Expect a lot of change in 2025. Heck, 2024 might have started with the same grid as 2023, but season खत्म होते होते Daniel Ricciardo was replaced by Liam Lawson और Logan Sargent was replaced by Franco Colapinto in Williams. फिर 2025 में क्या हुआ? बहुत सारे changes. Drivers signing multi-year contracts to some getting booted out mid-season. How did this change work out for everyone? Well, let's find out. Welcome to the part 1 of this three-part series of the 2025 Grid Circus. 2024 की biggest news transfer थी Lewis Hamilton leaving Mercedes to join Ferrari. Lulu Hamilton decided to give a big middle finger to Toto and went off to Italy to join Charles Leclerc at Ferrari. That would mean Carlos Sainz is out of a seat. अब हमारे स्मूथ ऑपरेटर भैया क्या करते? Carlos went off to Williams to join Albon, so it's Carbono now. तो फ्रैंको कोलोमेंटो द सरप्राइज रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ 2024 कहा जाते off to Alpine as a reserve driver. But एक minute, why didn't Carlos just go to Mercedes? So Carlos just felt better to bet on Williams with the new regulations coming soon, rather than just joining Mercedes for one single year. But why just a single year contract for Carlos? तो Mercedes में कौन आया? Toto wasn't going to throw away another opportunity to sign a talented rookie like he did with Max. Toto had a chance to sign Max the Wonderkin back in 2015 and he offered him an F2 seat. Red Bull were like, hold our energy drink, and they directly put Max into an F1 seat. I think uske baad se Toto hasn't moved on. So instead of giving Sainz a multi-year deal and potentially losing out on another great talent, he went ahead and signed Kimi Antonelli to Mercedes, pairing him with Osama bin Russell. I am pretty sure Russell will guide Kimi to the top. Interesting enough, let's make it more interesting. When it comes to promoting junior drivers, Red Bull का कोई जवाब नहीं है. They are unmatched at going haywire with replacements. Season started with kicking off Checo from the Red Bull seat, even after he signed a multi-year contract back in 2024, and replacing him with Liam Lawson, pairing him with the reigning world champion Max Verstappen. But why would they promote him instead of Yuki, you ask? Well, because Yuki is rumored to leave for Aston Martin in coming years, as Aston Martin plans to ditch the Mercedes engine from 2026 and partner with the Japanese automobile company Honda, who are also the reason why Yuki got into F1 first place. So, उसकी Alpha Tauri seat that was sponsored by Honda. So, Yuki Red Bull के future plan में नहीं है basically. He stays at the sister team for 2025, but who will join Yuki at Toro Rosso urf Alpha Tauri, aka Visa Cash App RB, finally racing pools? Well, इट्स फ्रेंच रूकी आइजक हजार. बट एक मिनट, दो रेसेस के बाद रेड बुल रियलाइजेस दैट प्रमोटिंग लियम, who is a promising talent, mind you, was a bad idea just after two races. Well, I will give it to Red Bull though, as it was months since they saw two Red Bull drivers on the podium. तो फाइनली क्या डिसाइड किया? यूकी swaps places with Liam to join Max at Red Bull. Liam, who replaced Daniel back in 2024, comes back to Racing Bulls. But wait, they are not alone at this mid-season driver swapping shit. एक और है द एलाइट फ्रेंच टीम, जिनसे ना चैसी ढंग से बनती है, ना इंजन ढंग से बनता है, और ना ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Alpine decided to go away from the complete French driver lineup of Gasly and Ocon because after years of beef, these two were finally making up and ganging up on the team. No, but on a serious note, it was because ST Bestie को Haas की seat fitting ज़्यादा पसंद आ गई थी. So he went off to the American slash Russian slash Italian slash पता नहीं English, I don't know at this point, has the only American team on the grid. For now at least.
You're saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Alpine somehow managed to get the driver's contract sorted out and they signed Jack Doohan. इस Aussie कंगारू को Gasly के साथ पेयर किया for the 2025 season, but not for long. Even before the season started, rumors of Jack Doohan being replaced mid-season were floating the paddock. But Q, the newly appointed executive at Alpine, Flavio Briatore को Franco Colapinto का मीठा लगता. Flavio को Franco पे ज़्यादा trust था. He had more trust in his potential, and he also loved all the Argentinian sponsors that came with him. Plus, Doohan's shambolic performance didn't help, and not like anybody gives a single flying fuck about Alpine, but Jack Doohan was replaced by Franco Colapinto mid-season after just 6 races. But if Ocon went to Haas, where did K-Mac and Hulk go? Well, K-Mac was let go, the greatest assister after Nicolas Latifi to ever race in F1. Blood literally took a race ban just for the team to score some points. Salute to K-Mac and Hulkenberg कहाँ गए? Off to Alfa Romeo Kick Sauber gambling side soon to be Audi F1 team. Has replaced Hulkenberg with a rookie Ferrari Academy driver Oliver Behrman. Kick Sauber gambling team, which will be Audi starting from 2026, roped in a rookie next to Hulk, the 2024 F2 champion Gabi my boy Bortoleto. But this leaves our beloved Valtteri Bottas and Chinese factory worker Zhou out of their F1 seat. Where are they anyways? Never mind, they're busy shooting music videos with Karan Aujla. सिर्फ दो टीम थी जो एकदम शांति से बैठी रही, मैक्लेरन, लैंडो नो मोर नोविन्स नॉरिस और आइसमैन पिएस्ट्री. They were all set for a title battle. Or Aston Martin, whose biggest signing wasn't their drivers but their new aero specialist Adrian Newey coming over from Red Bull, and their two drivers, the rookie GOAT Alonso and Lance One Man Wolfpack Stroll. Lance One Man and Lance One Man Wolfpack and Lance One Man Wolf and Lance One Man Wolfpack store. Lance One Man Wolf Lance Ba- Lance Babka